welcome to part 2 of drawing warrior cat morphs. When I first got into the game, there was nobody anywhere except for Wind Clan, so this first person is from Wind Clan. I really liked the morph. I thought it was really creative design and one that I don't see very often. So I asked them if I could draw them and they were like, of course. Nobody in this video, everyone knew that I was going to post it, but nobody knew what my channel was. So nobody will probably be seeing this in this video. I found this morph in Shadow Clan. I really liked it. It just made me hungry and I was craving ice cream and it reminded me of cookies and cream, so I had to draw that. I think that this one turned out really fun and upbeat, so I really like this one. I'm proud of it. I found this last morph in River Clan. I loved the design, it was so pretty, so I tracked them down and asked them if I could draw them. They said sure. I asked them if they wanted to pose and they're like, okay. So I really liked, this one was really fun to draw. The design just kind of reminded me of a tropical theme, which kind of worked with River Clan, even though there isn't really the ocean. But you know, water is water.